So I'm walking through the train station last week, and I just stop, dead, in the middle of the platform, people bumping into me, bags hitting me, because I saw a word on a sign, one word, and that word was longer than my grocery list.
Was hast du gesehen? What did you see?
I took a photo, I sent it to my mom back home, and she called me back and said, "Max, honey, are you okay? Because this looks like a cry for help."
Welches Wort war es? Which word was it?
Donaudampfschifffahrtsgesellschaft.
Ah, ein Klassiker, a classic. Did you know what it means?
No, I just knew I needed to lie down. I called in sick the next morning. I told my boss I had a headache. I did not say the headache was one German word.
Und hier ist das Geheimnis. And here is the secret that nobody tells you when you start learning German.
I need this, please.
That impossibly long word is not one word. It is 4 or 5 perfectly normal words fused together. Und wenn du die Bausteine lernst, and once you learn the building blocks, you can decode any compound word, any of them, and you can even build your own.
I can build my own German words?
Ja, genau. Yes, exactly. That is today's episode, and we will cover 5 things. Wie Komposita funktionieren, how compound words work, Alltagswörter, everyday words you already half know, dann bauen wir selbst welche, then we build our own, die spektakulären langen Wörter, the spectacular long words, und ganz zum Schluss, and right at the end, the beautiful German words that have no English equivalent.
This is already the most exciting German lesson of my life, and you haven't taught me anything yet.
Aber erst einmal, herzlich willkommen zur neuen Episode German Compound Words. But first, a very warm welcome to the new episode on German compound words. Ich bin Anna, I am Anna.
Und ich bin Max, still recovering from last week's train station incident.
Los geht's! Let's go! Also, das Grundprinzip, the basic principle is simple. You take 2 nouns, you push them together, you get one new word.
That is it?
Das ist es. That is it. But there is one rule you must remember. Die Regel ist, the rule is, the last noun in the compound determines the gender.
The gender, right, because German has 3 of those.
Drei Artikel, 3 articles, der, die, das. But in a compound word, only the last noun's gender matters. Let me show you. Der Hund, the dog, die Leine, the leash. What happens when we push them together?
Die Hundeleine?
Perfekt, die Hundeleine, the dog leash. And it is die because die Leine comes last. Der Hund loses his article, the last noun wins.
The last noun wins. Okay, that is a rule I can actually hold on to.
Noch ein Beispiel. One more. Das Buch, the book, der Laden, the shop. Zusammen, together.
Der Buchladen?
Richtig, der Buchladen, the bookshop. Der wins because der Laden is last. And one more. Der Regen, the rain, der Schirm, the umbrella or the screen.
Der Regenschirm?
Ja, der Regenschirm, the umbrella. Literally a screen for the rain, a rain screen.
A rain screen. That is more honest than umbrella. I don't even know what umbrella means.
Deutsch ist manchmal sehr logisch. German is sometimes very logical.
Sometimes.
Jetzt kommen die Wörter, die du vielleicht schon kennst. Now come the words you maybe already know. Ich denke, du wirst überrascht sein. I think you will be surprised.
Okay, surprise me.
Der Handschuh. Der Handschuh.
Handschuh. Handschuh? Is that a hand shoe?
Genau. Die Hand, the hand. Der Schuh, the shoe. Der Handschuh, the glove. Literally a shoe for your hand.
A shoe for my hand. I will never, ever forget the word for glove again. Never. That is locked in.
Der Kühlschrank. Kühlen, to cool. Der Schrank, the cupboard. Der Kühlschrank, the fridge. The cool cupboard.
The cool cupboard. Not cool like stylish, cool like it is actually cold in there.
Not cool like stylish, no. Although mine is quite stylish. Das Krankenhaus. Krank, sick. Das Haus, the house. Das Krankenhaus, the hospital, the sick house.
The sick house. That is a little grim, but I appreciate the accuracy.
Die Zahnbürste. Der Zahn, the tooth, die Bürste, the brush. Die Zahnbürste, the toothbrush.
Wait, that is actually the same as English. Tooth, brush, toothbrush. Zahnbürste.
Ja, manchmal sind Deutsch und Englisch gar nicht so verschieden. Sometimes German and English are not so different. We just keep going a bit longer sometimes.
We just keep going a bit longer. That is the most accurate description of German I have ever heard.
Der Staubsauger. Der Staub, the dust. Saugen, to suck. Der Staubsauger, the vacuum cleaner. Literally, the dust sucker.
The dust sucker. Germany named the vacuum cleaner the dust sucker, and that is objectively more accurate than anything we came up with in English.
Ich finde auch. I agree completely. Jetzt bist du dran. Now it is your turn. Lass uns eigene Komposita bauen. Let's build our own compound words.
Oh no, this is exciting and terrifying at the same time.
Beginnen wir mit dem Klassiker. Let's begin with the classic. Donaudampfschifffahrtsgesellschaft. Lass uns das auflösen. Let's take it apart.
Please, yes, do that.
Die Donau, the Danube River. Der Dampf, the steam. Das Schiff, the ship. Die Fahrt, the journey. Die Gesellschaft, the company, the society. Donaudampfschifffahrtsgesellschaft, the Danube Steamship Company, a real company that existed in Austria.
That was a real name for a real company that someone printed on actual signs.
Und bemerke die 3 F in der Mitte. Notice the 3 Fs in the middle. Schiff and Fahrt pushed together. Schiff ends with 2 Fs. Fahrt starts with 1 F. Schifffahrt becomes Schifffahrt. 3 Fs in a row.
3 Fs. Of course there are 3 Fs. Why would there only be 2?
Und jetzt das längste. And now the longest one. Das Rindfleischetiketierungs-Überwachungs-Aufgabenübertragungsgesetz. Word for word.
I physically cannot.
Das Rind, the cattle, das Fleisch, the meat, die Etikettierung, the labeling, die Überwachung, the monitoring, the supervision, die Aufgabe, the duty, die Übertragung, the assignment, das Gesetz, the law. So it is cattle meat labeling monitoring duty assignment law. Genau. Der Beef Labeling Supervision Duty Assignment Law. A real German law. It was passed by a real parliament. It was later repealed.
They passed a law with 63 letters. Someone voted yes on that. Someone stood up and said, yeah.
Deutsche Gründlichkeit. German thoroughness.
I respect it deeply.
Und jetzt 2, die ich wirklich liebe. And now 2 that I truly love. Der Lebensabschnittsgefährte. Das Leben, life. Der Abschnitt, the section, the phase. Der Gefährte, the companion, the partner.
Lebensabschnittsgefährte. The life section companion.
Der Lebensabschnittsgefährte. The person who is your partner for a phase of your life. Not forever, just for where you are right now.
That is oddly beautiful and a little heartbreaking. We have so many words for X.
Und das letzte in dieser Sektion, and the last one here, verschlimmbessern.
Verschlimmbessern. Schlimm is bad, right? And bessern is to make better.
Genau. Schlimm, bad. Bessern, to improve. But the prefix ver changes the whole direction. Verschlimmbessern, to make something worse while trying to make it better.
That is an actual word.
Ein Verb. Du kannst sagen, ich habe es verschlimmbessert. I made it worse while trying to improve it.
I do this constantly. I renovated my bathroom last year and I definitely verschlimmbessern the entire thing. The tiles, the lighting, all of it.
Das Wort war auf dich gewartet. This word was waiting for you. Und jetzt kommen meine Lieblinge. And now come my favorites. Die schönen deutschen Wörter, die keine englische Entsprechung haben. The beautiful German words with no English equivalent.
I have my notebook open. I am ready.
Das Fernweh. Die Ferne, the distance, the far away. Das Weh, the ache, the pain. Das Fernweh, the ache for faraway places. The longing to be somewhere else, somewhere distant.
The ache for faraway places. I have this right now. I have this basically always.
Viele Menschen haben Fernweh. Many people feel it. Es ist gleichzeitig schön und traurig. It is beautiful and sad at the same time. English has wanderlust, but that word was actually borrowed from German.
You invented wanderlust and English just took it. That tracks.
Der Torschlusspanik. Das Tor, the gate. Der Schluss, the closing. Die Panik, the panic. The panic that the gates of life are closing and you are still on the wrong side.
Oh, that one hits hard.
Es ist das Gefühl, dass die Zeit davonläuft. It is the feeling that time is running out, that the things you wanted to do are becoming unreachable. The gate is closing.
I had Torschlusspanik at 27. I had it again at 30. I will absolutely have it at 40.
Das ist sehr menschlich. That is very human. Okay, you asked for something lighter, so here we go. Der Weltschmerz. Die Welt, the world. Der Schmerz, the pain. Der Weltschmerz. The sadness about the state of the whole world. Not your life, everything.
Also very normal lately.
Heinrich Heine, der deutsche Dichter, the German poet, used this word in the 1800s, and here we are, still using it.
Because the world has been a lot for 200 years running. What is the last one?
Das Fingerspitzengefühl. Die Fingerspitze, the fingertip. Das Gefühl, the feeling, the sense. Das Fingerspitzengefühl, the fingertip feeling.
The fingertip feeling. What does that mean exactly?
Es bedeutet eine feinfühlige, intuitive Herangehensweise. It means a delicate, intuitive touch, when someone handles a difficult situation with great sensitivity and skill. A good doctor, a diplomat, a friend who always knows exactly what to say. Sie haben Fingerspitzengefühl. They have fingertip feeling.
We say delicate touch in English, and that's fine, but fingertip feeling, you can actually feel what that word means. You feel it in your fingers.
Das ist die Magie der deutschen Kompositor. That is the magic of German compound words. They don't just name a thing, they make you feel it.
I need a moment.
Keine Zeit, no time. Jetzt kommt die Schnellrunde. Now comes the speed round. 5 Wörter, 5 words. I say the word, you break it apart and tell me what it means. Bereit? Ready?
Ready, let's go.
Das Schlafzimmer.
Schlafen, to sleep. Das Zimmer, the room. Das Schlafzimmer is the bedroom.
Richtig, das Badezimmer.
Das Bad, the bath. Das Zimmer, the room. Das Badezimmer is the bathroom. 2 in a row.
Wunderbar. Der Fahrstuhl.
Fahren, to travel, to ride. Der Stuhl, the chair. Der Fahrstuhl is a riding chair.
Fast. Almost. Der Fahrstuhl is the elevator, the thing that carries you. A riding stool, basically.
The elevator is a riding stool. I will never stand in a hotel elevator the same way again. Next.
Die Sonnenbrille.
Die Sonne, the sun. Die Brille, the glasses. Die Sonnenbrille, sunglasses. That one is actually obvious in hindsight.
Letzte Frage, last one. Das Handtuch.
Die Hand, the hand. Das Tuch, the cloth. Das Handtuch is the handcloth? Is that a towel?
Ja, das Handtuch is the towel. And you know the German expression, das Handtuch werfen?
To throw the towel?
Genau, to throw in the towel, exactly the same as English.
I have definitely earned the right to not throw in the Handtuch today.
Das war die heutige Episode. That was today's episode. Was haben wir gelernt? What did we learn?
We learned that German compound words are not one scary word. They are normal words pushed together. The last noun determines the gender. Everyday words like der Handschuh, glove, and der Staubsauger, vacuum cleaner, make total sense once you break them apart. We built our own. We decoded the longest words in the language. And then there are words like das Fernweh and das Fingerspitzengefühl that English simply does not have.
Sehr gut zusammengefasst. Very well summarized. And the key thing to remember, every long German word has building blocks. Find the parts and you can understand anything.
And you can also verschlimmbessern your bathroom renovation if you are not careful.
Das Handtuch bei meiner Küche habe ich geworfen. I threw in the towel on my own kitchen renovation. True story.
Unsere Frage an euch. Our question to you today. Was ist das längste deutsche Wort, das du je gesehen hast? What is the longest German word you have ever seen? Schreibt es in die Kommentare. Write it in the comments. We're genuinely curious.
Und wenn euch diese Episode gefallen hat, and if you enjoyed this episode, abonniert den Kanal, subscribe to the channel. Jede Woche eine neue Episode. A new episode every week.
Learn German the fun way. In minutes, not years.
Die nächste Episode, the next episode, is about German emotions and feelings, Emotionen und Gefühle, including the words that only German has a name for, Wörter, für die Englisch kein Wort hat, words English has no word for.
After today, I know there are a lot of those. I cannot wait.
Bis zum nächsten Mal. Until next time.
Tschüss, bye, and watch your step in train stations. The signs are dangerous.